Hey whales, good morning, happy Wednesday. It's June 25th. Let's recap the markets and go over Tesla. Everything that you need here to succeed. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into Tesla here. So overall, guys, in regards to what I'm seeing for Tesla, we do have a bullish sequence in terms of this structure. So what does this mean? This means that as a day trader, as a mindset that I'm going into every day is only looking for long positions, right? As long as this pivot holds. So as long as Tesla can hold 212, I'm only looking for long positions to continue pushing Tesla higher, not only on the intraday time frames, but as well as the 4-hour time frames and swing trades. So what am I seeing? Well, if I take a look, the roadmap that I'm thinking about is Tesla continuously making a wave 1-2. So we're in a nest, right? A 1-2 and then a 1-2 in blue before ultimately trekking higher for this primary path. Now, there is an alternative path where Tesla can make a marginal low on the intraday. And, that's always possible. But, what I'm looking at is looking for Tesla to continue trekking higher and then ultimately reaching that $500 mark into the future. Okay, so for the short term, we're looking for Tesla anywhere between 405 to 465, guys. Okay, that's sort of this cycle. If we can reach that, that's a very great sign. But again, we can take that alternative path at any point, and we would be making sort of something like this instead. Okay, but ultimately, I do have us continuously trekking upwards. Keep buying the dips on Tesla. You should be good to go. Now, there are some warning signs that we need to keep a lookout for. So, for instance, for the S&P 500, right, we are, continuously making some higher highs here. There is bearish divergences forming across the board, right? Every time we make a new high, it comes with bearish divergence. You can see we're making lower highs here on the indicators as well. Okay, so what do I need to see for the S&P 500? I need to see us pushing above and erasing this divergence. Okay, so we need to keep erasing that divergence to continue pushing higher, and very well possible, right? Because of how bullish the markets have been. So let's see if the S&P can make this another 4 to the 5 before a larger correction. And if you take a look, that 4 to the 5 would be sort of this leg up on Tesla, and then that larger correction would be this wave 2 on the S&P 500 with Tesla moving the same. So this is sort of the roadmap that I'm seeing. And let's take a look at the VIX here. I did analyze the VIX earlier today. All right. So you can see the VIX, right? We did reach that trend line, bounce right off, and it's coming down. And you can see as well, right? There's sort of this trend line that's pushing a little bit lower on the VIX. So the VIX could be sort of, pushing downwards, which is bullish on equities. But then once it reaches this trend line, guys, or gets close, expect another spike on the VIX here. So we got to be a bit careful as it comes down here, right? This inflection point might be a danger or might be a flashing warning signal there. Okay, and if I take some inverse fibs, I mean, these are maybe some of the areas that it can come down to, right? But keep a lookout for this trend line, especially as it reaches, 16, 15-ish. That is an area where you might want to be a little bit careful. Okay, so just be mindful there. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your Wednesday. Again, keep pushing the markets higher until otherwise. Keep your eyes on the VIX, right? Make sure you inverse the VIX here. And I'll talk to you guys soon, and I'll update you guys every single day. See ya.